The video shows the power speed, power frequency, and power pulse width matrices. You can also keep the power constant and make a frequency pulse width matrix. Here is how to make it. First, draw a rectangle and array it. Here we choose a rectangular array. Set a different pen number for each rectangle. The shortcut key is CTRL-H. Different pen numbers set plan parameters. Enter the parameters for the x and y axes. Align. Hatch. Save and can be used for testing different materials.